Hello everyone, Gilgameshik here again, and this is the fourth part of our demo, which will conclude the basic if statement tutorials. So for first, let's just remove all this random system out print lines so that nothing gets printed out onto the screen and distract us. Alright, so first I'll show you the basic structure of an if statement. So this part of the statement, just the if clause, that is required if you want to write anything using an if condition. These are optional, completely optional. You can write just an else if, you can write just the else, you can write neither. That is completely fine. So let's see what the actual value of I is right now. It's I is 3. So let's check if I equals to 3 first. Else, if I equal to 2, do something else. So, and else, and in any other case, it will print out something else. So, in case the if condition is true, let's try to print out something simple like, well, it's 3, so it's 3. In case this else if is true, let's print it's 2. And if neither of those is true, it's not true or 3. Well, let's give it a try. I mean, since we know that it's 3, it's going to be 3. But now, how about over here? Let's change the value of I equal to, say, 5. Now let's run the program, and it's not 2 or 3. And if we write 2, it will give us the else if condition. It's 2. As you can see, it continues checking until it's true. So in else, anything left over is true. So if it reaches an else, it will definitely print out this line. Yep. And in every other part of it, it just checks for that condition. So now let's try with the same thing, but with multiple else if. So I'll just remove all the printouts so that nothing gets in our way. Okay, I can write another else if over here. It doesn't really matter if I do, but I just want to show that you can do that. So else if I'll just check for the same thing, I equal to 2. Even though it will never reach it, but still, I just want to show my point. Line, it's second 2. Okay, since it's 2, let's just try. And it just prints it's 2. Well, there may be as many else if statements as you want, but the fact is, in the entire if statement, only one of the clauses gets executed, and that is the first one to be true. In case none of the other clauses is true, else will be true for sure, and it's going to be printed. However, one thing is only required, that is the if statement in this long clause. Everything else is optional. It is up to you to use it. There are pluses of using just multiple if statements instead of using just one long if statement with a lot of else clause. But this is generally what you will do, because you want to check first against one value, and only in case that's not true, you want to check for another value. I hope this helps, and I hope this made if statements clear to you, since you will be using them a lot. Like, this is like the basics of programming in general, because if statements, they're everywhere, because you always need to check some condition in case it's true or false. And I guess this is the first step you'll take towards programming, towards learning programming. And I obviously hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts about all of this. Maybe I told something wrong, or maybe you just did not like the way I did it and you would prefer something else. So please let me know about the feedback, since then I would be able to provide better content for you. And see you in the next video.